everyone! Welcome back to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. The trending idea of food vlogs is all over the internet nowadays. People love to watch such content because of the tempting food clips, whereas content creators enjoy filming such vlogs. Cooking vlogs are fun to record. Everyone can cook, but not everyone has the best skills to record and edit anything. Due to this reason, few cooking channels are on the top, and others lag behind. This video will share ideas for making an attractive food vlog. Make a script for your vlog. If you plan before you film, then things get a lot easier. If you have planned on how to get the shots and how to arrange the ingredients to get the best lighting, then at the time of recording, these pre-planned things will help your filming, all in order to save a lot of time. Set the environment. The content creator should set a proper environment before they start to record. For good-looking food vlogs, a clean and tidy workspace is an essential requirement. The other important factor is the mood of the cooking environment. Distinct color palettes are suggested because they leave a strong impression on the viewer. Perfect lighting to shoot. It is best suggested to record the food vlog in natural lighting. You don't want the food or the ingredients to cast any shadow due to the focus spotlight. Instead, your goal should be to make everything visible. The best thing for that is to film in natural lighting. Shooting angles. While creating a cooking vlog, the creator should keep in mind that the video should not be simple. Filming a food vlog from one angle can be too boring for the viewer to watch and maintain interest. Instead, the perfect thing that could be done is to record the food from different angles. This way, you can choose from the different shots, edit and compile them into one good-looking food vlog. Fridge tour. One interesting and attractive element for any food channel is fridge tour. People who have been watching you cook will enjoy your fridge tour. In such a vlog, you can share tips for keeping your fridge clean. You can share how you organize your fridge or how you set and organize your pantry. Also, you can share how you prep for meals every day. Share your grocery list. Grocery hauls are essential for cooking channels as they are fun to watch. They maintain viewers' interest in your vlogs. Sharing with your viewers that what you have on your grocery list is a different way to interact with your viewers. Indirectly, you tell them about your favorite and preferred products. People enjoy watching such vlogs as they are different from usual cooking vlogs. Diverse content. The best way to attract traffic to your food vlogs is by providing your viewers with multiple themed recipes. You can plan and cook food according to any festival. You can either plan a festival week and cook traditional meals throughout the week and whatnot. Just keep in mind that you have to make diverse but delicious food. Use effects to fulfill your video. Some cute elements or effects can light up your video in an easy way. Wondershare Filmora has thousands of inbuilt elements for you to choose. What's more, you can also download the full pack of food vlog in film stock. Here are some recommendations. Cute Food Pack. Editing a food vlog while using Cute Food Pack will make your job very easy. This video effect is perfect for cooking channels as it has aesthetic food clips in it that will maintain the viewer's interest. Food Cupcake Pack. By using this effect, you can edit the cupcake videos. The effect has 7 attractive and unique titles and elements for grabbing the attention of viewers. The aesthetics of classic cupcake will attract you to use it. Food ingredients. The pack is very convenient as the recipe could be displayed on the side of the screen with popping food. The effect has 10 lower thirds and 15 food elements. There are many other cute food effect packs on film stock. You can check it out. That's all for today. In the end, make sure you give our video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you enjoyed watching it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can watch more informative videos in the future. Bye!